people, as you all can see, we are obsessed with these little souls. So are you sure? Can you tell everybody what is the best thing about keeping baby rabbits?
They don't do much poo-poo.
Yeah, compared to ducks, we had ducks, right? They were doing every 5 minutes. It used to be so difficult.
No, don't.
So,
don't,
and
don't.
what else is nice about baby rabbits?
They have pointy ears.
Yeah, pointy ears, they're adorable, right? And then they love being, once they are on your lap, you can keep stroking them and,
But
you know,
bad thing about rabbits is they have a weak back.
yeah, weak back. But that's why we should be gentle with them. But otherwise, would you recommend which is the best pet that you've kept so far? Ducks, rabbits, dogs, or cats? We've not kept, but yeah,
I will say to all of them.
all of them. But which is your best, your most favorite?
All of them.
Not rabbits.
No, equally.
Oh, equally. So that is my diplomatic son for you. And see, that little guy is all busy. But basically,
He's
I
coming to my
absolutely adore this thing, and
He's
we'll
coming
catch
on
you all.
my hand.
We'll catch you all
Keep on my hand.
on our next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
He did like two.